Oh, look at my baby eating her yogurt. Very nice technique. Can I help you a little? There you go. Okay, not as good as my baby. Good job. Can you spoon it out? Oh no, there's a little bit left. Let's see. Do you see those hand skills? Do you? Okay, hold on. Let me help you. Wait, you didn't get any in there. I'll just help a little. There you go. Oh, there you go. That's yogurt. Can you put it in your mouth? That is your mouth. That's your cheek. Can you put it in your mouth? Mouth. Up in your mouth. Yay! That's one way to eat yogurt. And then she's gonna scoop it back up. Genius, baby. Do you know where your eyes are? Where are your eyes, love? Aria, where are your eyes? Aria. Yogurt. Can you put it? Can you put it in your mouth? Good job! Yay! It's all gone now. You ate it. Finger painting? Can I help you? Lefty? I don't think you should eat lefty. That.
Her right hand.
Oh, you're right. That is her right hand.
You idiot.
Jacob, you're not allowed to say that on her video. In 20 years from now, she's going to know that you use horrible language. You're out of the video. You shame our family.
Whoever watches is going to laugh, because you're an idiot.
He said it again, baby. Jeez. Big bite. Yogurt.
Using your right hand.
Yogurt. Big bite into your mouth. That's Dora. Dora. Can you put this yogurt in your mouth before it falls out of there?
The baby's currently using her left hand. Is that what you guys are?
Aaron, you can't come into the video this late and make commentary. We're almost 3 minutes in. Can you put that into your mouth? Oh, you want a bigger bite? Oh, I need a bigger bite. Oh, nice scooping skills. Oh, nice. That's Dad. Can I help you just a smidge? Or would you like to do it yourself? Here, just let me just help you just a little. Big bite? Oh no. Can you do it? Can you put it in your mouth? Can you show me where your eyes are? You're too fascinated with the yogurt. Oh, yogurt. This yogurt?
This yogurt's my yogurt.
Whoa.
On my shirt.
Everything gets on my shirt. I think you're done with the yogurt. Can I have some yogurt? Can you share? Is that a yes? Can I have some? Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, yum. Yum, that's delicious yogurt. Awesome.